Hello, good afternoon, folks. Yes, this is... oh, what day is this? Friday. Is it Friday? It is indeed Friday, folks. Sorry, I haven't done a video for a couple of days now. But, you know, it's quite hard to actually do a video every day and get content up, folks. Yes, the pressure's on to get videos up, folks, all the time. It is quite difficult, and especially when, you know, I'm in a routine where I go to work and nothing really happens, folks. So I'm trying to make things happen. And what we're going to do today, folks, is we're going into Sainsbury's, and then I'm going to buy a couple of things, and those couple of things are going to be what I'm going to be doing in this video, if you understand. Yes. Oh, and also I've got some really interesting, really exciting news, folks. Yes. Wait till you see this. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, man. Here we go. Here's today's adventure.
Walking fast, walking very fast. Walking fast, walking fast, walking very fast. Walking fast, walking fast, walking very fast.
Folks, I'm in Sainsbury's and I'm lost. I'm looking for cheese. I'm in the crisp department at the minute, so we're lost in Sainsbury's. Well, folks, we're back home and I can't believe I forgot to get the thing that I wanted to make the video, so I'll need to leave that till tomorrow, folks. However, tonight we have this. Oh, what's in the box? What is in the patisserie box? What is it, folks? Ooh, what do you think it is? Something nice and creamy and chocolatey with choux pastry. Let's see what it is. Right, folks, now, kindly, if you follow me on Instagram, by the way, do follow me on Instagram, folks, because you get little clips and little photographs of things that have been happening during the day, so you get a clue as to what's going to be on the video. So if you did follow me, you'd seen photographs of this, folks. Yes, I've got a drone. Now, don't laugh, folks, because you saw my calamity I had with the helicopter. Now I've got a drone. It was very kindly donated by my mate John from Scotland by Drone. He's got a channel on YouTube. I think it kind of, something happened to it, but I think he's got it back on again. Scotland by Drone, it's called. So we've got this drone, folks. Yes, there it is. Look, there it is. So this is going to be charged up and flowing. It's got 3 batteries, so I need to get them all charged up. Look at this, man. And it's got a little camera on the front there, which moves, goes up and down. Look. Oh, does it? Oh, I don't know. Yes. So I can film. What I like to do, I like to go low, you know, rather than high. I like to go sort of this height, you know, so I can slice my eyes open. Yeah, so I'm really looking forward to flying this. Bro's going to obviously help me, so I need to get it all charged up and everything. It's got instructions, and John sent me a text saying that I have to download an app or something as well. So it's got a control like the Xbox, man. Oh, we're in business there. There it is. Look. So, and it takes batteries. It's just like the very similar to this one here, man. Just very similar. Look, it's got the same sort of thing at the back. So we'll just transfer the battery straight across into that. Wow. Stop. Land. Take off. Oh man, we're gonna have so much. I don't know. Oh, it's upside down. I don't know, folks. Is it a good idea? Is it a good idea? I don't know. Well, obviously, Bro's going to help me. So, right, I better read the instructions and get these things charged. But yeah, look, God, it's like a little frog, isn't it? It's weird. So we'll get that charged up. As I said, there's all these kind of bits and pieces to go with it. Oh, there's the batteries there. Look, they get charged up. Oh, how do I charge them up, though, actually? Hey? Well, maybe put them in the thing. Right. We've got spare propellers. And there's... oh, I don't know what these are. What are these things here, man? These are... oh, I think these might actually be protection things. You put them on and it stops the, if you crash the drone, you know. And it's got a, oh, a nice little, that's like a USB thing. Right, okay, well, it's going to be much fun with that, so I need to get those charged up, as I said. And, right, excellent. Jag with a drone, can you believe it?